Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century and why they're actually a big part of our everyday lives. First of all, multimedia and ICT makes learning way more fun and easier. Instead of just reading books, we now have videos, presentations, animations, and online classes. Honestly, it helps a lot, especially when lessons are hard to understand. Another benefit is communication. Because of ICT, we can message, video call, and join online meetings anytime. Even if people are far away, staying connected is super easy now. Also, multimedia and ICT help us become more creative. We can make videos, edit photos, create posters, and even start online content or small businesses. It's not just for school, it's useful in real life too. And of course, learning ICT prepares us for the future. Most jobs today need digital skills, so knowing how to use technology gives us an advantage. So yeah, those are some of the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Technology really helps make life easier and more productive if we use it the right way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!